guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fry the best Ghana style fried turkey drumsticks that you can use for your jollof rice, stew, or just on its own. Very easy, and I know for sure you're going to love it. So without wasting my time, let's jump right in. So for this recipe, I'm using the turkey drumsticks, but you can use any part of the turkey. What I'm going to do next is to give it a good wash with some vinegar, salt, lemon, and water. I'll make sure I wash it thoroughly. I mean, washing it 3 times until the water becomes clear. In the meantime, I'd like to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning and new subscribers. I just want to say thank you so much for your love and support. God bless you. And if you are new here, you are warmly welcome. I share simple and easy recipes that you are going to love. So kindly subscribe to join this beautiful family. And trust me, you are going to love it here. So once I'm done washing our turkey, we'll go ahead to pat it dry with a paper towel to remove any excess water. To season my turkey, I'm using a medium-sized onion, ginger, about 7 cloves of garlic. I have white pepper, cumin, fresh rosemary, and 1 habanaro pepper. So what I'll do is to cut my onions, then transfer everything into my blender. Add in a little water, then blend it until it is nicely smooth. What I'll do next is to transfer my turkey drumsticks into my saucepan, then pour in our blended spice. And I'm going to rinse the blender with just a little water, then pour it back in because the turkey is going to bring out its own juice. To that, we'll go in with some salt to taste, then go in with all-purpose seasoning. I'm also adding in a seasoning cube. You can use any season at all you prefer, okay, and what you have available. Once that is done, I'll mix everything together, then over a medium high heat, we'll cover it and cook it for about 20 minutes. Alright guys, 20 minutes later, our turkey drumsticks are ready. I'll take it off the stove and allow it to cool down a little bit, then we start to fry our turkey. And make sure you don't throw your stock away because it is packed with flavor. So what you do is to just put it in a airtight container and save it in your freezer so that whenever you're making jollof rice stew, you can use it. To my pan, I'm going to go in with my oil, then allow it to heat up. I'm also going to add in our onion and some scotch bonnet pepper to give us additional flavor into it. Once the oil is hot enough, we'll add in my turkey drumsticks, then allow it to fry until it is golden brown. After 3 minutes of frying, we'll go ahead to turn over the other side so that it can also fry until it is nice and golden brown. And guys, one quick tip I'll give to you is to not throw your onions out whenever you take it out from the oil. You can add it to your blended spice or your stew to give you that additional flavor. Okay, so once our turkeys are well fried, we'll go ahead to remove it from the oil, then transfer it into a paper-lined tray to absorb any excess oil. Then we continue to fry our next batch. Once they are all out of the oil, we'll continue with the second batch, then also fry it until it is nice and golden brown. Transfer it into a paper lined tray to absorb any excess oil. And that's it, guys. It's super simple. You can enjoy it with your kenke, fried yam. It's so versatile. You can even add it to your stew and enjoy it with your plain rice. So, so delicious. Trust me, you are going to love it. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe and like for more delicious recipes. And comment below what you will enjoy your fried turkey with. Thank you all so much for watching. And until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye, guys.